of course, true to form, I got another ping, and I want to say this. I'm not saying there was never a real moon. There was, but what we've got in the sky right now, that's not it. So where's the true moon, real moon? I'd like to preface this one with, I'm just having a story time with my collective. This is for entertainment purposes. Take what resonates and leave the rest. Your soul will let you know, because, you know, our bodies tell us, our higher self communicates with us, our ancestors, spirit, you know, they know how to get the messages across. So, with that being said, you know, at some point in time, the real one, it got hijacked. And what we're currently seeing is a satellite, a mirror, a false light. That's why the moon rituals exploded in modern times. They're man-made, built to feed energy into a system that isn't connected to source. And this is why I got pulled away from moon water, lunar charging, all that, you know, woo-woo stuff, because it's man-made. It's not source. And, you know, it's because I wasn't charging with pure intention. I was programming myself with a frequency designed to harvest light workers' energy. So now think about it. When you see half a moon, where's the rest of it? Doesn't just vanish. Parallel universe are seeing the side we don't. That's why it looks like an LED cut in half, because we're only being shown the slice they want us to see. So the real question isn't just, where's the moon? The real question is, where's the freaking real one? Like this whole week, my eyes are always in the sky anyway, but like this whole week, source and the moon and the focal point, like this morning I looked out and I'm looking at it. It literally looks like an LED lit the fuck up. Like some of the clouds, if you pay attention, it looks like LED lit up. Like it's just not natural. Like some of this shit is just weird. That's why I call it La La Land. Wake and bake today. I am definitely waking and baking. I dosed my coffee today because I'm formulating how to break down all this information that source got me, because I'm going to do a big decode for my YouTube channel. So if you haven't gone to subscribe there, go subscribe. I have one more drop talking about our calendar and all that stuff, but the bigger decode on, you know, how it got hijacked and why and all that stuff, I'm going to be dropping tomorrow on YouTube. Go subscribe there. Everything's going to be in the captions. 313 on that timer. What's up, Dad? He's always around. On that note, I'm just going to cut it off here. Come back for the calendar chat and working on that faux chicken salad recipe. You know, I got to do nice fancy photos. It just makes me inside. Makes me scream a little bit. But on that note, hope everyone has a fantastic Saturday. If spirit, you know, decides to drop anything into your brain while you watch these videos, drop in the comment, because I'd love to know. I love to know where you're checking in from, because, you know, I'm being throttled on this goddamn app. This is my third account, so let's see who this reaches. Come back for more.